The Welsh onion, more commonly called the bunching onion, or long green onion, Japanese bunching onion, and spring onion, is a species of perennial plant often considered to be a kind of scallion. The species is native to China, though cultivated in many places and naturalized in scattered locations in Eurasia and North America. Bunching onions are petite onions that have long green stems. The onion bulb has a cylindrical shape and deep red outer skin that is paper thin. The inner flesh of the bunching onion is crisp and translucent white. These onions offer a pungent onion flavor with semi-sweet undertones. Bunching onions tend to be very productive and are easy to germinate from seed. Plant them just under the surface of the soil and wait a few weeks when the seedlings will look like a lot of grass. Keep them well watered, especially when in containers, as the roots are fairly shallow and don't like to dry out. Grow them in a regular compost. Just make sure you get them into the soil because they will grow in just about anything: clay soil, sand, or clay loam. Do make sure you give them a source of phosphorus because they are more of a root crop than a leaf crop. Bunching onions make an excellent companion plant to tomatoes, basket plants like lettuce and mustard greens, strawberries, and pepper plants because they deter common pests that can quickly destroy crops. Gardeners should not plant bunching onions with legume species like beans and peas. Gardeners should also avoid planting bunching onions near sage and asparagus because the onions will affect these plants' flavor. Delicious on their own or as an enhancement to a main course, these sharp green leaves make a perfect addition to any meal. Use them to add a delightful crunchy spice to salads and sandwiches, or to flavor broths, enhance stir fries, and spruce up your dinner with a lively garnish. Bunching onions are not only low in saturated fats and cholesterol, they also are a good source of thiamine, vitamin B6, folate, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. That makes them a disease-fighting and immune system boosting powerhouse.